I was a little drunk. Plus, I was horny.
You fucking bitch! Move out the fucking way! You just assaulted me, you cunt! I'm calling the police!